Hello everyone, welcome to another problem session. So we are doing currently the JEE exam paper 2, and so this problem is um, you know the JEE 2024 advanced physics paper 2. Okay, so uh, here is a it's like you have a voltage here, the source of ions, and from between here and here, maybe all the way here, the voltage difference is say V. So velocity was 0 and it's going to go with some velocity V, and that velocity is going to enter here, and the magnetic field um, uh, so it's enters this region. What's going to happen in this region? Well, um, if it enters the velocity V here, then the moment it enters and all through here at any point, let's see, just at that point, you have a magnetic force is going to be Q V cross B, right? So this is actually perpendicular to V. That means the acceleration, ignoring gravity and everything here, okay, so don't worry about gravity. So acceleration is going to be perpendicular to V. That means you're going to have a circular motion. Okay, so if you can have circular motion, you can have a Q V cross B equals to mv square over radius of the circle, or radius of the circle. Okay. Now V is also in this diagram, V is also perpendicular to B, so this is just simply VB sine 90 degrees. So you can see this just 1, and this V will cancel one of the V here. So you can write V equals to Q R B over M. Q R B over M. Okay. Or you can write R equals to MV over R equals to MV over QB. So it seems like it's going to a circular motion with radius this. So we don't know yet V. So if you know V, we can figure out this radius circle. So if you know the radius of circle, if you look at problem 1, it's asking for the value of x. So it goes in here and it's going to make a circular trajectory, and you can see that it must be symmetric, because if I were to send in here, it should the same V, it should end up over there. So it's symmetric, so this distance will be 2r. So this x will be 2r. So x will be 2 mv over qb. So if I know v, I'll be done, right, for this problem, value of x. But I don't know v yet, so we appeal to this part where it gets accelerated. So it's accelerated across voltage v. So from A to B part is Q times V, that's the percentage difference, equals to half mv square, and from there this is the voltage drop, this voltage, and this V is the speed as a result of that. So V is equal to 2Q capital V over M square root. So now we put in here, and so this becomes 2M over QB square root 2QV over M. Now this will say cancel this, and you have square root of M. Cancel Q, square root of Q. So this just 2 is 2 square root 2 is square root of Q M over Q, and times 1 over B. So this is what we're dealing. There's M with a capital V here. So now we have the values given 192 and 0.1. Let's complete these values and then we can answer this question. So 2 square root 2 is, so V is equal to M capital V over Q 1 over B. So 2 square root 2 square root M. So this is in this particular problem, M just happened. Let's leave it M alone. The V is 192 and B is 0.1, and they're all SI units. Over Q is all going to be just 1 unit of charge, and so that's going to be it's going to be 1.6 times 10 to the 19 coulomb. So I'm going to simplify this and come back with the answer. Okay, so here went ahead and say I also found while I was doing simplifying that I called it V earlier. It's actually X. So the A, so the A looks like correct. Value of B, let's see what the B will be. So between A and B, the difference is the mass, and so whatever I get here, I'm going to get proportionally square root. Okay, so mass here is 148 mass in A. So X here will be just X for the part A, 144, not 48, 144, square root of 144. So that just 4 times 12 is 48 centimeter. So that also is correct. So how about doing C? For C, we already know that XA is the minimum here, and if you have more massive particles, it's bigger and bigger, it's coming out like that, so if this will be for if the M was 144, M was 144 MP, and then it says I want to have for 196 MP. What would be the X for that? So X min is 4 centimeter, but X max will be XA square root of 1 196, and so that will be 4 times that's going to be 14. Square root is 14, 56 centimeter. So the difference, x, I'm calling x max x1 and x min x0. So difference is, so x1 minus x0 for me is 56 minus 4 is 52 centimeter, which is not 55 centimeter. So this one is not correct. And then we have to figure out minimum width, how wide this should be if I'm going to have that. So it has to be at least this wide, and that has to be the radius of this trajectory, which is, so the d will simply be, w has to be the radius of 196 case, which is x 196 case over 2, and x 196 case was 56 centimeter over 2, then that's going to be 28 centimeter, and its the minimum width should be 56 centimeter, which is not correct. So the answers are A and B. Okay, this is a good problem. It has a good, nice picture to go with it, and okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.